God created men and women very, very different from each other. And I think that's a major part of the comedy and the humor and the beauty and the challenge and the blessing and the miracle and the difficulties of marriage. No two men are the same, no two women are the same, but men and women specifically are extremely different in so many ways, right? Um, uh, it's actually a title of a book that I've seen years ago. I think men are waffles, women are spaghetti. And I've given quite a few lectures on this, and people enjoyed it very much, but it's from a book I once read. I forget the authors. I think it was a couple. And they explained very, very cutely and I think intelligently, men are waffles in the sense that every waffle has its own contained identity with borders. And when you pour the maple syrup into the waffle, you don't want it to overflow and go into another waffle. With spaghetti, every strand of pasta is intertwined and interconnected and integrated with many more, strands of spaghetti of pasta. Men's brains. We like our filing cabinets fragmented, each one in its own space. Women's brains are more like the World Wide Web, and everything is connected. And I think when we are open to real healing, we learn to learn from each other rather than be threatened by each other. What often happens is the differences between people can either threaten them or enhance them. If I'm confident in my own space, the fact that you're so different than me becomes actually something charming and something exciting. You allow me to expand my horizons. My wife allows me to see things differently. But if I'm threatened by you being different, then I have to silence you. I have to crush you. I have to eliminate you. I have to put you in your place. I don't have the mental space to create space for your otherness. So that's the power of marriage. The power of marriage is precisely to create space for otherness, to create space for a person who's different than me, who's not like me, who thinks differently, who has different fears and different concerns. And it's in that space where we can be here for each other and extricate ourselves and the other person from loneliness.